In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Canva to N8N. By the end, you'll have a working connection that lets your N8N workflow talk directly to Canva's API using a secure OAuth 2 flow. First, open your N8N instance and create a new workflow. Give it a clear name so you can find it later, and hit Save. Keeping things organized at this stage will make testing and troubleshooting much easier. You can stay in manual execution mode for now, so you can run and inspect nodes as you go. Next, add an HTTP request node to the canvas. This node is your bridge to Canva's API. It will handle the actual web call, whether you're fetching data or sending something for Canva to process. Choose the HTTP method that matches the Canva endpoint you plan to use and set the URL accordingly. If you're not sure which endpoint to start with, pick a simple one for testing so you can confirm the connection before building something more complex. Now, set up the HTTP request node to use OAuth 2 as its authentication method. This is essential because Canva's API requires a secure, token-based authorization flow. In the node's authentication section, select OAuth 2. This tells N8N that it should handle the authorization handshake and token storage for you, so you don't have to manage tokens manually. When prompted, create new OAuth 2 credentials. You'll see a form with fields typically used in OAuth, such as authorization and token URLs, a client ID, a client secret, and scopes. Enter the values provided by your Canva developer configuration and follow the on-screen guidance in N8N. Make sure the redirect URL shown by N8N is added to your Canva app settings. A mismatch here is a common reason for failed connections. Type in each value carefully and double-check for stray spaces. Store any secrets securely and avoid sharing them in plain text. Then connect and confirm your connection and execute. You'll be redirected to authorize access with Canva. Approve the request, and when you're returned to N8N, your credentials should show as connected. Back in the HTTP request node, click Execute to run it. Watch the response panel to verify you're getting the expected status code and data. If something fails, review the endpoint, method, scopes, and the redirect URL, then try again. Once you see a successful response, you're ready to expand the workflow, knowing your Canva to N8N connection is solid.